Every gardener dreams of rich, dark, crumbly soil, but let's face it, most of us are working with something far less ideal. Maybe your garden bed is hard as brick, or your backyard soil drains like concrete and grows nothing but weeds. Here's the good news. Not all plants are picky. Some are built for the tough stuff. If you're dealing with poor, compacted, or rocky soil, the right plants can not only survive but actually improve the ground over time. Let's dive into 5 plants that thrive where others fail. No soil amending, no constant babying, just solid results in rough conditions. Start with yarrow. This rugged perennial is a powerhouse in hard, dry soils where few others dare to grow. Known botanically as Achillea millefolium, yarrow has roots that dig deep and wide, helping to break up compacted ground while pulling up nutrients from the subsoil. It handles full sun without a complaint and doesn't need rich soil to put on a show. Yarrow blooms in shades of white, pink, gold, and red, adding beauty while attracting pollinators and beneficial insects like lacewings and ladybugs. It spreads easily, fills empty patches fast, and improves soil structure naturally, making it perfect for neglected or underperforming spots in the garden. Lavender earns its place not just for its calming fragrance and lovely purple blooms, but for its ability to grow in poor, rocky, or sandy soils where organic matter is scarce. Think of lavender as a drought-tolerant warrior. It prefers low-nutrient, fast-draining soils and practically resents being pampered. If your soil is compacted and dry, lavender will often perform better than it would in a moist, compost-rich bed. Just make sure it gets full sun and good air circulation. Once established, it requires almost no watering or fertilizing. As a bonus, lavender acts as a natural pest deterrent and brings bees and butterflies into the garden without inviting troublemakers like deer or rabbits. Next up is sedum, a plant that redefines low-maintenance gardening. This family of succulents comes in an impressive range of colors, shapes, and sizes, from creeping ground covers to upright bushy bloomers. Sedum is perfect for soil that's shallow, compacted, or dry because it stores water in its leaves and doesn't need much help to thrive. It's often seen growing out of cracks in pavement or rock walls, which tells you everything you need to know about its survival instincts. Sedum roots don't go deep, but they spread well, protecting the soil surface and reducing erosion. And when it blooms, typically in late summer, you'll get a vibrant display that keeps pollinators buzzing even when other flowers fade. If you're growing in a hot, sunny area with tough ground, salvia deserves your attention. This resilient herb, an ornamental bloomer, doesn't flinch in the face of poor soil. Salvia officinalis, better known as culinary sage, grows well in gravelly dry soils and actually prefers not to be fussed over. It needs minimal water, tolerates drought, and rebounds quickly from pruning. Other varieties like Salvia nemorosa and Salvia gregii are equally hardy and flower profusely throughout summer, drawing in bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds. The upright growth habit and rich scent of the leaves also help deter browsing animals. Plant salvia in the sun, walk away, and it'll do the rest. Finally, we come to echinacea, the workhorse of the tough soil garden. Also known as coneflower, this native prairie plant is adapted to survive in lean, compacted soils that drain quickly and offer little fertility. Echinacea purpurea is the most common variety, and it puts out bold, daisy-like blooms that not only brighten the garden, but also attract pollinators and seed-eating birds. Its thick taproot anchors it into stubborn soil and helps loosen it over time. You can count on echinacea to return year after year with very little care. It's also well known for its use in herbal remedies, which adds another layer of value for anyone interested in functional gardening. Let your plants be part of the healing process. Yarrow, lavender, sedum, salvia, and echinacea won't just survive, they'll thrive, improve the ground around them, and make your gardening life a whole lot easier. If this helped you see your tough soil in a new light, be sure to subscribe to Soil Doctor for more grounded, practical gardening strategies that start from the roots up. Share this guide with a friend who's struggling to get anything to grow, and remember, sometimes the best garden fix is to plant smarter, not harder.